Hi everyone, today is the top MCQs from Constitution Development of India. So in the video you can see I've written chapter 1. So there are total 20 chapters are there. So we'll cover MCQs from each and every chapter in the upcoming session. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So the first question is, in which of the following act the provision was made for the establishment of Supreme Court at Calcutta? So the answer is Regulating Act 1773, option number 1. So by which act was Federal Court in India created? So it is Government of India Act 1935. Which act of British Parliament abolished the East India Company monopoly of a trade in India? So it is Charter Act of 1813. The Federal Court of India was established in which year? So it is 1937. Under which act dietary was introduced? It is Government of India Act 1935. The Act of 909 is associated with decentralization, option number 1. Okay. Who chaired the first meeting of the Constitutional Assembly? This is a picture of the Constitutional Assembly. Okay. So the answer is option number 1, Dr. Sachindranath Sinha. Which of the following act introduced the principle of constitutional autocracy? It is Government of India Act 1935. The Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time by, it is Government of India Act 919. So it is option number 2. The power of President to issue ordinance is given by Government of India Act 1935. Federation established under Act of 1935 residue powers are given to the Governor General. Why the Government of India, GOI means Government of India Act 1935 is important? Because it is the main source of the Constitution of India. The proposal for framing Constitution by Constitutional Assembly was made by Cripps Mission. You can see with Mahatma Gandhi, Cripps is standing. Okay. So it is called Cripps Mission. Okay, who and the following person was not a member of Cabinet Mission? So it is William Wood. Okay, Indian Constitutional Assembly was established under Cabinet Mission 1946. In the interim government formed in 1946, the Vice President of Executive Council was. So you can guess the answer by seeing this picture only. So it is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who gave the idea of a Constitutional Assembly? So it is B.N. Rao, and it is Suraj Party 1934. Okay. How many members of Constitutional Assembly elected is by provincial assemblies? Okay, member of Constitutional Assembly who drafted the Constitution of India, it is elected by option number 4, elected by legislative assemblies of various provinces. Who was the first chairman of the Constitutional Assembly? So it is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, who was the president of the Constitutional Assembly of India, Independent India? It is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Constitutional Assembly of India was established on 9 December 1946. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee? It is Jawaharlal Nehru. Who of the following presented the objective resolution? It is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru again. How many sessions of Indian Constitutional Assembly are conducted? So total 11 sessions are conducted before making the final constitution. Okay, how much time the Constitution took to frame the Constitution of India means what the time required? Okay, total is 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. Okay, who was the chairman of the advisor committee of fundamental rights and minorities? See, by seeing the picture, you can easily guess it is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, who was not a member of the drafting committee? It is Pandit Nehru. See, other than Pandit Nehru, all the three options are the member of the drafting committee. But Pandit Nehru is not the member of the drafting committee. Okay, the Constitutional Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Ambedkar on 29 August 1947. The first draft of the Constitution was prepared by B.N. Rao. Okay, who was the constituent advisor at the time of formation of Constitution? It is also B.N. Rao. Yes, B.N. Rao. Okay. When the Constitutional Assembly adopted the national flag? So the date is very important. It is 22 July 1947. Who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? So again, it's Rajendra Prasad. Okay, our first president. When was the 3 reading of the Indian Constitutional Assembly started? It is 17 November 1949. 17 November 1949. Okay, the Constitution of India was completed on 26 November 1949. Okay. And from 26 January 1950, it became Constitution. Okay, it came into force. The Constitution of India. This is the only question. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Okay, Indian Constitution was adopted by Constituent Assembly. Constitution of Day of India was celebrated on 26 November. Ambedkar was elected to the Constitution Assembly from which presidency? It is Bombay Presidency. Okay, Year of birth and death of Ambedkar is easy. Year of birth is 1891 and death date is 1956. Janaganamana adopted as a national anthem in which year? It is 1950. The state emblem was adopted by GOI, means Government of India, on 26 January 1950. Constitutional Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Who said this? It is Austin. Okay, Austin, Mountbatten, Churchill. Okay, so Austin said this. Okay, how many women members are there in Indian Constitutional Assembly? Total 15. Okay, 15 members are there. The states and central government derive power from Constitution of India. Okay. In how many provinces Congress ministry formed in the year 1937? Total there are 8 ministries. Who said that National Congress should be dismantled after independence? So by seeing the picture you can easily guess it is Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So so thanks for watching. Thank you and stay tuned for the upcoming session. Thank you.